We just discussed the poll preparedness and about the ballot papers and identification of booths and whether they've checked all these things. What poll preparedness?
Who were present today?
All the ROs from the respective and some observers over there.
And when is it scheduled?
Any schedule?
No dates are given. No dates are given. Fresh, total week fresh. And wherever the municipalities, the remaining municipalities, wherever they have been unopposed, it all gets cancelled and fresh nomination. In case they come unopposed again, that's a different issue.
Any date has been proposed?
Nomination dates,
No, nothing.
Okay.
There
Today,
will be that.
today's meeting was only for the review meeting.
Review meeting. It's a fresh procedure now.
Yeah.
Fresh procedure. So no dates, no as of now.
This is first review meeting.
After
Yes.
now.
Okay. Yeah.
Earlier we had all the collectors and the south SPs of south and north. Now they are closed.
Okay.